How to fix ZArchiver root support was not found on the device. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix ZArchiver root support was not found on the device. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to hover or long press on the ZArchiver application. And here you'll be able to see this eye with a circle around it. So it's basically the application info. So just click on it. So you'll be redirected to the app info. So just click on advanced over here, scroll down, and here you'll see install unknown apps. So just click on it and toggle this on. So once you toggle this on and go back and see that your issue would be resolved. If not, then there's another way that you can go to your app store and go to the search bar and search for the ZArchiver application and press enter. This is the app which you've installed, so make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If not, then just update it to the latest version and check if the issue is resolved. If not, there's also another way that long press on the ZArchiver application, click on app info, and then clear the cache. So once you clear the cache and restart the application, your issue would be resolved, most probably. If not, then just close the recent application to free up space on your phone, and then again open ZArchiver and your issue would be resolved. If not, then you can just click on the settings and go to the search bar and search for update, and here you'll be able to see system update, so just click on it. So make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of iOS or Android, whichever you're using, and then check that your issue is resolved. If it's not, then the only way left is to contact the ZArchiver support, and then they will look into your issue. So that was basically how you can fix the ZArchiver root support was not found on the device. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.